How to use GIFs in Instagram comments. Instagram added a new feature on the new update and it lets you post GIFs in the comments. So the first step is to make sure that your Instagram is updated. Go to App Store, search Instagram, and update your application. Now after it's updated, a GIF icon beside the comment bar should be visible to you, like this one included in their article. If not, don't worry because personally I still don't have it yet. Note that this is a new update, so if you don't have it yet, it will be coming out for you soon. So when the GIF icon is available to your application, just like how the GIF in messages work, all you have to do is click on the icon and a batch of GIFs will show, and from here you can select a GIF that you want. But if you want a specific GIF, just type in the word and you will see results. So that is all for this tutorial. Do let us know if this video helped you out. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a great day.